This is my Christmas present. I've had quite a bit of a workout with this. You can even do steak. You can sizzle some steak in here, which is pretty cool. But we're doing a lot of toasties. We've also been doing, which I'm going to make in a moment, some French toast, which has been beautiful, and it only takes about a minute for it to cook, so it's been awesome. So I'll show you that in a moment. And now we're good to go. The green light's on.
Oh.
And everything like we do when we put it onto a pan, but I'm just putting it in here. So then we'll just go and close it like so. Pop it in the oven and then forget it. Right, and that's ready to go. Voila! We're just going to get our spatula. Lucas, can you get the spatula, please? Lucas, can you get the spatula, please? Lucas, now!
Oh!
Right, thank you. Alright, so that's done. So can you go and tell Dad that it's ready, please?
This cooked to perfection. Gotta have the maple syrup. Hey? Oh yeah.
Bum, bum. And to put some spice into your life, you can turn it around and get little
Checkers.
checkers. Thank you. How cool is that?